how to create Cash App account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Play Store or App Store, and after that search for Cash App. After that, install it. In case if you have any update on your Cash App, make sure that you update your Cash App to the latest version. After that, simply open it up, and this is how it will appear. Now you get two different options to choose from, whether you want to use your phone number or your email address while creating your Cash App account. Simply choose any of the option, and in this video let's see how we can use our email address. So for that, just simply select the option of email at the bottom and then type the email address, and after you click on next, a code will be sent on your email address. Simply put that particular code over here and click on next, and this way you would be able to confirm your email address. Now on the other tabs, you would be requiring to put your bank details, and after providing bank details you would be asked to add your name, legal name, and your country and SSN number. And after providing all these information, you would be able to create your Cash App account. And this is how easy it is to create Cash App account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.